Lawrens Anti Wrinkle Cream contains vitamin E, marine collagen, and hyaluronic acid, active ingredients that enhance the effect of the cream to combat the outcomes of aging such as wrinkles, skin sagginess, and dryness. Benefits: powerful humectant that keeps skin plump and hydrated and young-looking. Restores elasticity to skin and reduces blemishes and wrinkles. Dramatically moisturizes skin and leaves it smooth. Helps improve your skin's elasticity, decreases wrinkles, and improves skin hydration and firmness. Antioxidant that helps soften skin and helps reduce the appearance of scars, blemishes, and marks. Use daily for a natural glowing and healthy skin all day long.